Are fixing this right here. I already melted one portion on, so now we're just going to finish it up. Coming out, it's much easier than I had thought. So let's see if we can. So I guess you don't need to be told that this should be done outdoors. In case you don't know, this should be done outdoors. Here's the piece we cut. We got a little benzomatic. What the hell it's called? Juice. Turn it up a little bit. There we go. You might be asking yourself, why not just use crazy glue? Well, crazy glue does not hold computer cases together at all. I don't know if you've tried it yourself, but feel free. What happens is, unless you dip them in ammonia, it's not going to hold. There's something in the chemical makeup of this kind of plastic. It's something it's lacking, or something it has too much of that makes crazy glue useless. So you could try it if you'd like, but I'm telling you based on experience that it does not work. And the reason you would dip ammonia in it, or dip your parts in ammonia if you had pieces put together, is I don't know. I read somewhere that the fumes change the chemical makeup of the plastic. That whatever area is exposed to the fumes of ammonia changes the chemical makeup of the plastic, and then allows the crazy glue to bond the two pieces together. But why go through all that? And who wants to breathe in ammonia? So I find this a lot easier. Anyway, here's our finished product right there. So I think it looks pretty good, considering there was a giant freaking hole right there. It's pretty smooth, and it's better than duct tape or electrical tape, which is what the owner had. So that's it.